Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel na GTR Math Tutorial at Facebook na RJ Enseñado. So for today's video, we will discuss another logical reasoning problem para sa civil service exam. So number 7. Belinda calls for an appointment with a doctor on a Saturday. Since the doctor is not free, he asked her to come 3 days after the day before of the day after tomorrow. On which day does the doctor want Belinda to come? So mga choices, Thursday, Sunday, Wednesday, Monday, or Friday. So yung mga ganitong type ng problem, alam ko may mga ganitong lumabas nung last na civil service exam. Dun sa mga post kasi dun sa mga FB group tungkol sa civil service, may nababasa ako. Ayan, so posible na may lumabas ulit yung mga ganito sa logic. Yung mga what day. Ayan, so sagutan na natin. Galing nga pala itong question na ito sa Civil Service Exam 2024 na FB group pinadala ni Miss Dane Lee. Okay, so sagutan na natin. Paano ba magsagot ng ganitong type ng problem? Pwede natin itong sagutan pabalik. So may given lang tayo dito na day. So Belinda calls for an appointment with a doctor on a Saturday. So yan yung given natin, Saturday. Tapos meron din tayo dito, may nabasa ako tomorrow. Ayan, so after the day, before of the day, after tomorrow. So sasagutan natin ito pabalik. Magsimula tayo sa tomorrow. Okay? So ilagay lang natin dito yung tomorrow. Okay? So tomorrow. Yan. So pabalik natin sasagutan. The doctor is not free. He asked her to come 3 days after the day, before of the day, after tomorrow. Okay, dito tayo magsimula. Pabalik nga tayo. So tomorrow of the day. Ayan, day after tomorrow. Okay? Doon tayo magsimula. Ito yung tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, edi punta siya dito. So, nandito na siya. Hindi pa natin alam kung anong day ito. Ang alam lang natin, tomorrow kasi eh. Edi a day after tomorrow, edi ito na siya. Okay? So tapos, so pabalik nga tayo. Meron namang after the day. So ang sabi dito, the day before. The day before of the day after tomorrow. A day before naman. A day before of the day after tomorrow, edi parang bumalik lang. Bumalik ano, kasi ang sabi, yung last natin tomorrow. Eh sabi, the day after, edi pumunta dito, tapos the day before of the day after tomorrow. So ibig sabihin lang pala nun, tomorrow. So yun yung panglito dyan. So ang sabi, the day before of the day after tomorrow. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun, tomorrow, maka-cancel out na ito. After the day before of the day after, ay cancel out lang. So tomorrow na lang yung matitira doon. Okay? So ito na lang. So ang sabi, he asked her to come 3 days na lang. 3 days after. Ayan. So 3 days after nung tomorrow na lang pala yung kakalabasan nito. 3 days after nung tomorrow. Okay? So he asked her to come 3 days after the day after tomorrow. So ibig sabihin yan, bilang lang tayo ng 3 days after. So ito yung tomorrow. So bilang tayo ng, bali na cancel out na ito. So bilang ulit tayo dito ng 1, 2, 3. So yan ay 3 days. So pero ang sabi ngayon, saan mapapapunta yung Saturday? So yung Saturday, ito yung today. So yan yung Saturday, today yan. So kung tomorrow, malalaman natin kung ano yung tomorrow. So yung today ay, ito yung today. So syempre, tomorrow ito, ang sinundan nun, today. So yung today, ito ay Saturday. So lagyan na lang natin ito ng mga days. Kung today ay Saturday, ang tomorrow ay Sunday. So itong next na to na araw ay Monday. Then we have Tuesday. So itong hinahanap natin ay Wednesday. So therefore, the correct answer is letter C. Okay, so ganyan lang magsagot ng mga day problem. Pwede nating sagutan pabalik. So nagsimula tayo sa tomorrow. So doon pala sa umpisa pa lang, kung alam natin yung tomorrow, so pwede na nating ilagay agad na yung tomorrow ay Sunday kasi yung given, yung Saturday, yan yung today. So pwede na nating ilagay agad dito yon. Okay? So that's all. So thank you for watching and kita-kita tayo sa marami pang mga logical reasoning para sa civil service exam. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review. Kung ito ang first time nyo, huwag kakalimutang mag-subscribe Sa YouTube, GTR Math Tutorial at sa Facebook, RJ Enseñado. Comment lang din po kayo at DM sa akin kung meron kayong math question. So, bye-bye and God bless.